Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI voicemail smart router. Now, the problem is pretty simple. Voicemail is usually one inbox, but the messages inside it are not all the same. Some are urgent, some are billing questions, some are support issues, some are even some like spam. And if all of those land in the same place, someone has to manually listen, categorize, and forward each one. This application turns voicemail into a structured routing data. And there are two different ways, as you see in this architecture diagram. We use Telnyx STD model, which converts an audio clip. If you upload an audio clip and it converts it into text, you can always use a text file as well. That is basically just a transcript of your voicemail, and it routes to the set channel, because when you use the models on Telnyx AI inference, you can use different LLMs like GLM 5.2, Kimi K3, etc., and it will help you classify the intent of the voicemail, and then it will basically route it to the right channel. Now in this video and in this code, it will show you where that request or that voicemail should be sent to. But if you're building on top of this, you can basically even add the logic of, okay, this is the voicemail, this is the intent classified, and send it to Slack or send it to the billing team, and so on. All right, now this is the repo. README is pretty detailed. Follow along. You set up the environment variables, mention what fallback model you want to use. This is where you can add like a Slack webhook. This is where I was saying that if you want to add more logic on top of that to directly send the request, you can add Slack tool. You can add your billing support tool, if any. Setting up this repo, it's pretty simple. Clone the GitHub repo and follow along these steps. All right, let's get started. Now I have the app here in a virtual environment. This is a Flask app which I'm going to run. And in the next terminal, I'm going to use some of these curl requests that I have. Now here you see, this is where I'm going to use an audio recording wave file that I have on my machine, and I'm going to specify a random caller number and see what happens. So this was pretty fast. As you see, it has caller number and the category is spam with a confidence score of 85%. It shows you other details like which model was used, what's the ID of this particular voicemail, and the priority, it says it's high, and it specifies what the reason is, and it says that, okay, it appears to be an accidental pocket dial or scam recording capturing a conversation where somebody has disclosed some highly sensitive information and suggested action, and this is the full transcript from that audio file. Now the other things you can basically see, let's see this curl request which is specific to billing department in your company. As you see here, it says 98% confident that this particular transcript belongs to the billing department. Priority medium. It shows the reason and it shows the transcript as well as the suggested action. And in this case, it also says that, okay, you know what, this is the route, this is where the email should be routed to, and what's the status of this request. Easy peasy. You can follow all these different curl commands and see it for yourself, and you can find all these information in the GitHub README. And if you go to the Python file that I have, which is basically the main logic for this application, you will see all the details that I have laid out over here. This is my system prompt, and I have given it an idea of what the output should look like, and a routing map. It calls the inference. It specifies what are the maximum tokens. This is basically what you're going to need based on your context and how long your transcript might be. For now, I have said that, okay, maximum tokens could be 4,000, but you can change it up, play it as per your application, and I hope you build something on top of this, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching.